Hello everyone, this is a short tutorial showing how I make my simple glass paintings. I start with the outlines first. As you can see, I did the outlining in advance because it's too lengthy. Then I usually start with the small details first. But sometimes I reverse the process. As you can see here, I'm leaving the space for the details instead. Sounds confusing, right? Don't worry, you will understand it all by the end of this video. I'm filling in the color where I made the outline. I'll repeat the same process for their clothes and everything. By the way, this is one of my favorite anime couple. Who is your favorite anime couple or character? Tell me in the comment section below and I'll try to make it. Do you know when did I made my first ever glass painting and what did I paint on it? Well, it was in October 2022 when I tried this medium first. I had no idea that it would come out so well that I'll be obsessed with it for the years to come. And would you believe that my first glass painting was also of them? I love them a lot. All of this might look easy, but if you don't know how to use a brush, then it can be a little challenging for you. But no worries, with practice and under my guidance, you can master it too. If you have any queries, you can comment it below. इस प्यार की गहराई का कोई इंतहा नहीं नाचने का मन करे तो झूम लेंगे हम और सितारों के बगीचे You can see we are coloring the part we left in the beginning. बातें हम करेंगे मिल गया है आशियाँ हम आँखों से कहेंगे यूँ होता है प्यार क्यों थोड़ा डर भी है थोड़ा Ta-da! Our painting is complete here. महफिल की बेताबी जाने कैसे कोई कह सके कि ये Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching and for all your love and support. It truly means the world to me. I'm really excited to announce that I'll be hosting a workshop very soon. I'll be sharing some tips and tricks and some insights that I normally don't get to share here. And here's a little thank you just for you guys for being amazing audience and subscribers to my channel. You guys will get 20% off on the workshop using this coupon code. Keep an eye out for more details coming really soon. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Stay tuned. Thank you.